Hi everybody, this is Debbie, back again with another wig opening, box opening. I've got 3 wigs, just got them. They are human hair and synthetic blend. They're from a wig company called glamourtress.com. So they're paid in US dollars. I shall link everything below so you can see what's what. So yeah, here goes. Anyway, thank you for coming back to my channel, and they're just quick wig reviews. If you're looking for anything in depth, there's so many on YouTube. The ladies go in depth with the bleaching of knots, which I don't do, cutting them, styling them, gluing them, gelling them. There's just so much more on here, washing them, all that kind of stuff. I'm just like, I open the box, show you what I have, try it on, and these ones you're going to see for the first time with me. I haven't opened them yet. So here goes. So my first one, taken out of the bag, is Melanin Queen. 180 density, so it's pretty thick. Oh, it's 100% human hair. I didn't realise that. I thought it was mixed. Hand tied, so that means that you're going to get a better human looking hair pattern, as far as I know, from what I've seen on YouTube and read. The colour is natural, so it's probably a natural black, probably. And this is the box. In the style. The style is, I'll tell you in a minute, MLH 522 straight 14-inch. So this is it. So I'm going to undo it now and see what I've got. It might suit me, it might not. We're both going to see this together. By the way, what I have on my head is a curly bob. I got this from Amazon.com, sorry, .co.uk. I will link the address below so you can see. What I've actually done, I've stuck this on with got to be ultra glued styling gel. So what I did, I just stuck it on really around the front here. I dyed the lace, or I coloured the lace with this, which I got from Superdrug. If you look at my other videos, you'll see the link to this. So you can go in and see the colour's dark brown. You can go in and see how much I paid for it. So I used that, and I think it came out very well. Just sprayed the front. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take this off in front of you before I try out the other one and take it out of the box. I've got some hot water here and a flannel, so I'm just going to wet the lace so that it will lift and I can take it off. So I'm just wetting the lace. Need some hot water here, and here we go, it's starting to lift. It. Just coming back in from church, so I thought I'd do these quick videos just to open the box with you. A little bit more water. And here we go. Here we go. So that's my curly bob. Very nice. Real hair. I look at these, you may have heard of RPG show, Divas wig, My First Wigs. I find them pretty expensive. This one cost me, I think, about £80. Might have been a bit less. Good enough for me. I'm happy with it. Right, here we go. I'm going to open this one now. See how it looks. So here we go. I've taken off the cellophane packaging. Here it is. So what they call natural. It's kind of like a lighter black. Came in the net that covered it. It has some tissue paper inside. The lace, I've had softer lace. It's kind of similar to this. This lace is a little bit kind of rough. I'd say this is a little bit softer. It's got a nice parting space. You see there. Very nice. I would say if you're into the plucking, I'm not into the plucking. You know, when I see these girls do this, it's like the mess that you've got to clear up afterwards. All that hair everywhere. So I'm just going to use my wig comb to comb it through. It's really soft, really nice, beautiful. You can tell it's real hair. So right, let's see how it looks on me. With me, I think I need more of a curl, or for my face shape, more of a curl or more layering to make it look good on my face. So here it is. I'm going to look in the mirror, which is to my right, just to see how it looks and get it in the right place. I'm not going to cut the lace, I'm just coming on here just to show you, that's all, give you an idea. Oh, it's really nice. What I would do is I would curl this. I've got some hot curling tongs that I can use. Very nice. I'm just going to look in the mirror, guys. Really, really beautiful, I think. I think I would wear, let me just try it on the side, see how it looks. Put the part into the side. Try it on my right side. I'm a side parting girl. I think side partings look better on me. For my age, I think side parting makes you look younger. If you're really young, it doesn't really matter. Oh, I'm loving it. Really liking it. So there's not much to show you, it's just a straight wig with a nice parting space. Feels beautiful, feels like real hair. So this is it to my left. This is it to my right. And this is the back. Just a minute, I'll go. Here's my back. Feels very nice on. Make me very happy. It's got a little bit of a curl under. Yeah, even on the box it shows that. It's got a little bit of a, they call it a bump, don't they, when they tongue it under. But yeah, very pleased with this. So this is it. Big head friendly. I'm a 22-inch circumference. I didn't do anything with the like the bra strap closure things at the end. Just hook them in, but they're fine as they are. Comb on the back, comb on either side to secure it. I just put the comb on the back under. I don't do anything with the combs on the side. And if I really want to secure it down, I sometimes use bobby clips, put them in just to hold, or if I want it more secure, then I use the trusted, as you've seen, got to be ultra glued. and I use any one of these. The black, I've got the yellow, and I've got the spray, and any one of them will do fine for me. I'm not saying anyone's better than the other. So what I'm going to do is quickly fold this up, just put it back in the box, and I'll show you the others. So the next one, again, they're all from glamourtress.com. This one's called Bohemian Wig, and it's Brazilian Secret Signature Human Blended, which I thought the other one was. I thought they were all human blended, but the first one you've just seen me put on was human hair. So this one, the second one, is signature human blended. So it's human hair with fibre. So this is it. And this is in the colour 4, so it would be a brown. This is the back of the box. And again, it's another short bob. Can't go wrong with bobs really. This is I've just opened the box. It's a tissue paper that comes in, very nice. And as you open up the tissue paper, that's what you see. The card, and obviously the wig is inside. There we go. And what this length is, I don't know. Don't know what length it is, ladies and gents. It's showing you some other styles on the card. And yeah, I don't know what the length is, it doesn't say. It tells you how to wash it and all that kind of stuff. And there's the net and all the tissue paper falling out on the floor. And again, it's a similar, the lace is similar to the human hair lace. It's kind of a little bit rough, I'd say. You can, let me have a look. There isn't any parting space, unfortunately.